Hi everybody, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna show you easiest eye look. We're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Lancome, and we're gonna use only 3 colors. We're gonna use 1, 2 and 3. We're not gonna use these 2. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please comments below, and it's the easiest eyeshadow application I'm gonna teach you today. Today we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Lancome, beautiful like a gold, orangey brown color, and we're gonna use like 3 colors in this palette. I already have on my eyelid Lancome primer. Now we're gonna start. We're gonna use first color first on entire my eyelid, and I'm using big fluffy brush. I'm gonna just set my eyeshadow primer, and again I applying on entire my eyelid. It's have little bit like sheen. It's not shimmer, but on my eyelid it looks completely matte. Oh, I even like this palette more. You know, I love matte colors. Again, very quick, just set my eyeshadow primer with number 1 eyeshadow light color. Now we're gonna use color number 2, and I'm gonna use this big blending brush. Okay, let's start. You can see how I apply like a big letter C. Let's do another eye. It will be very quick eye look. We'll say less is better and it's less complicated, right? Okay, now we have just 2 colors here. Now I'm gonna just everything blend, and how I blend it from up to from down to up, like a lift my eye. You can see how pretty eyeshadow layering on my eyelids. They look very soft. Okay, now I'm gonna use this darker color number 5, and I'm gonna use a small blending brush. I'm gonna start like almost like halfway of my eye. And again I will go up. Feel your bone right here. And when I apply this darker color, I trying to do like up, blend up. For this look, we also will need, of course, mascara, and I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner. And you can see how I do up, and now it's just lift my eye, right? Colors looks very soft, very natural. And again, this is eyeshadow palette from Lancome, and it's number 11. Now I again gonna use this big blending brush, and I'm gonna just blend this brown with my like a orangey color. It's a very safe color eye combination, eyeshadow combination. I feel like people who has blue, green, who has brown color, who has khaki color will be always looks pretty. Wow, absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow, very easy. Now I'm gonna use again number 1 eyeshadow with my finger, and I'm just gonna apply right here. What it does, its color will go a little bit more intense. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm gonna use again this small brush, and I have some left eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this leftover eyeshadow under my eye. Now, where is my bottom lashes? Very softly. I don't need to do this intense. Very softly. Hey. Let's put one more time with small brush this number 2 eyeshadow. Gonna one more time go under my eye. Yay, love it. Okay, one more time, blend in, it's very important. Now I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner, and of course I'm gonna use LANCOME conditioner primer, and I'm gonna use mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner, and what I do, I just press close to my lash line. Very pretty, very small. Love this brush. I finished applying my eyeliner, and now we're gonna again apply primer from LANCOME, and I also gonna use Chanel mascara for good separation, and it will give me also good volume. I always apply primer on the top but never apply on the bottom. I want volume on my top lashes. I finish applying primer and mascara on my eyelashes. My eyes looks pop. This is look very easy. If you like this look, please comment below, and I will see you in my next video.